Okay, so from service, Dayan, no, dadako naman tayo sa usapin ng leadership kasi meron tayong tutunghayan na ito yung Aboitiz Leadership. So, na-feature ito dito sa ating special feature kaya alamin natin mga detalye na yan. Tunghayan natin to.
Kamakailan ay naganap ang Academ Luncheon na kung saan inilatag ng Aboitiz Group of Companies ang kanilang student-focused activities sa ilalim ng Future Talents Program. Pinangunahan ni Senior Vice President Chubby Aboitiz ang pahayag ukol sa student program lineup ngayong 2014.
What we have done, and we call this Attraction for Tomorrow, is the leg that we have on attraction that we've focused on for quite a few years now. Part of that is getting our younger talent, our younger A people, competent when they come into the workforce. So we've got our Aboitiz Future Leader Summit, we have our scholarships, we have our job OJTs on the job training, and we're constantly looking for new ways on how we can get involved, especially the sooner we get involved, the better, on how people can prepare themselves, how kids today can prepare themselves.
Katuwang ang academic sector ay isasagawa muli ang taunang Future Leaders Business Summit na kinapapalooban ng on-the-job training at scholarship program para sa mga daan-daang interns at scholars.
It's basically we want to share our leadership principles as Aboitiz, and we're not saying that these are the only leadership. We're the only one. It's just that that's those that we believe in, and how our leaders have the experience they have in really building those leadership principles in our organization. So what happens is we have the most senior leaders talk about that and interact with the students themselves, right? And we want to be able to give them also a good experience of what it's like in the business world, right? And for them also to understand that, it's also not that daunting if you're prepared.
At nang tanungin kung kinakailangan ba nilang magtrabaho sa kanilang kumpanya pagkatapos nilang makapagtapos,
no. We've actually abandoned that. What we have done in exchange is we said while they're studying, they need to spend their summers with us. And I think most of them, they like the idea also, because we compensate them for it so that they get at least some pocket money. But I think it's really important for them. I think it's such a fantastic if as students learn, they get to practice what they've learned. Obviously, to a limited degree, what they've learned. But then, as they move on to the next year, their preparedness is multiplied many times over through that experience.
Ngayong ika-9 na taon ng summit ay nais nitong buklurin ang daang-daang mag-aaral sa buong Pilipinas sa loob ng 2 araw upang paluwigin pa ang kanilang business at leadership skills.
We need to be able to attract talent. We've existed for over 100 years, and we expect to exist for another 100 years at least. So for us, we're looking at not just for tomorrow, but we're also looking 10 years from now. So a lot of these kids, for example, would they aspire to see us as an employer? And if they do, what's expected?
Samantala, formal ring binuksan sa naganap na Academ Lunch ang imbitasyon sa mga universidad na hikayatin ang mga mag-aaral nito sa College Scholarship Program. Dito ay matutulungan sila sa aspetong pinansyal na renewable kada semester sa hindi bababa ang general point average ng 85%.
We have two. We do have people that apply to us, but I think majority is where we get feedback from the school itself. They actually give us who they feel are right.
Ang OJT program ay nagbibigay sa mga mag-aaral ng mga nararapat na kasanayan at tamang pag-uugali sa pamamagitan ng curriculum-based training experience. Ito'y isang paghahanda na rin sa tunay na takbo ng mundo ng kanilang trabaho sa hinaharap.